Let us cook delicious dessert. Sinukmani. Magsinukmani tayo. This delicious dessert, sinukmani or Biko, all the recipes you will find in this gorgeous book of my beloved mother, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her beloved daughter, Juanita Gutierrez. And this beautiful cookbook containing all the delicious recipes of Mom is now available globally in ebook or digital format or paperback at Amazon.com, Exlibris.com in ebook and paperback formats. Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter Juanita Gutierrez. Let us cook sweet, delicious sinukmani. Happy cooking and dining.